Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Thrivelab subscription. So basically if you have taken any treatment or any subscription on their platform, so how you can cancel your subscription. So first thing you need to keep in your mind, you can cancel your subscription. You need to provide a 48 hours notice period before cancellation, okay? Because if you are going to cancel your subscription on time, like on the same date of your renewal date, then they will charge on your account and you have to pay a full you can like subscription fee, okay? So make sure you need to provide at least 48 hours of notice period before your applicable monthly processing date, okay? And what you have to do, you need to compose an email, okay? In the email you need to mention each and everything, like why you want to cancel, and the subject should be I want to cancel my Thrive monthly membership. And in the email you need to provide your name, your email ID, your subscription starting date and end date, each and everything, and then you need to provide a valid reason, okay? And in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation, okay? And once your email is done, you need to send the email at their email address, like support@thrivelab.com. this is the email, okay? And if we talk about, like, you can also copy the same email, once you complete the email you need to visit on their contact us page. I will provide you this link in our video description box. In the email you need to provide your name. On this page you need to provide your name, your email ID, your subject I want to cancel my subscription, and you can paste the same thing in the message box, and you can send after verification, after human verification you can send your email. And if this method will not work, you can also contact with the customer support team by dialing their phone number. So first of all you need to dial their number. First method, you can try their dialing by their phone number. Their phone number is also available on their official website on this page, contact us page. The link is in our video description box. You can go over there and you can visit on the official website page, okay? And when you dial their number, you can also tell them that you wish to cancel your subscription. They will cancel your subscription, okay? If number is not available due to any reason, so you can send them email, you can send them message, okay? So these are the three ways by which you can cancel your Thrive membership or subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.